Misk Garment steamer for delicate fabrics. The product comes with steamer head which houses the heating element, detachable 120 ml water tank, fabric attachment and a crease attachment. A power cord has a knot to securely wrap the wire. First, fill the water tank with clean and cold water, do not overfill. To attach the tank to steamer head, hold the steamer head at horizontal position, fit the hole properly and rotate the tank clockwise. Plug the steamer on and wait for 30 seconds. Red light turns to green. Once the steamer is heated and ready, press the steam trigger button and start steaming. Move the steamer up and down, starting from the top of the garment and gradually working your way down. The steam will relax the fabric, removing wrinkles as you go. The powerful steam deeply penetrates through the fabric and gives you a delicate, refreshing look in minutes. Happy steaming to you!